guys, what I'm showing you is this fern, bird's nest fern. I just cleaned them, but I want to get them out from here, from this location, because at this point summer the sun is so intense here. It already burned my umbrella tree, so I want to take them out. And also the spider plants, but spider plants these two I might add at the back or inside the patio, but my concern right now is this fern. So I will repot them on the pot that I utilize for the big echeverias, so they will grow more. So here are the two pots, terracotta pots that I'm gonna use. I clean it. This is the one. They are very durable. This is my old terracotta pot. So you see here, it's just have one hole. So I will ask Mike to drill more holes. This one too. See, we can always recycle our old pots, clean it, soap and water, and then let it dry up, and then it looks brand new to me. All right. In here because the leaves are gonna burn. Look at that, it started already. So I'm gonna repot it in an old terracotta pot, so bear with me. Here's the soil mix that I'm gonna use for that bird nest fern. So I just added this osmocote. This is the osmocote fertilizer, and then a portion of soil mix, and then peat moss and sand, and then I'm gonna put perlite. It's up to you guys how much you will, how much you're gonna use your soil. So I just want to add 1 part of sand, 1 part of peat moss and soil mix. So now I'm gonna add more of perlite. So just do like this, and then my favorite neem oil, diluted neem oil. So here you go. What's the purpose of neem oil? So that the soil I'm gonna use is moist, and at the same time it's gonna be protection for any bugs that will go on the soil, destroy the plants. Mix it thoroughly. Okay guys, so this is the bird nest fern. So I'm gonna repot one on the camera and then one off camera. So then at the same time I'm gonna give care tips and what is this kind of plants. This is my first time to take care from 6 inches pot it grows. All right. Oh wow. So guys, when you water this kind of plants, don't pour water on the center because it's very delicate. It's gonna rotten the plants. So the best is just to water around the main base. So, and then if there is like spot like this, you can trim it with a sanitized scissor. Just take out the brown edges or the brown spot. There you go. I need to put like this or like this, like this. So I need to add more. Okay guys, so I'm adding soil on the side.